Hello students, TS Polycet 2022 paper code is A. So maths section A, mathematics. The first question is the base of the common logarithm is. We have two type of logarithms. One is common, another natural logarithm. The base of common logarithm is 10 and natural logarithm base is small e. So this topic will come in the intermediate. So option 3 is correct. Next to question number 2, root p plus root q is a irrational number where p comma q are. So he said root p plus root q is already irrational number, but what is the condition for p and q? So definitely the p and q must be a rational prime numbers. So if p and q are prime numbers, definitely root p plus root q will be a irrational number. Next, third question, if the HCF of any two numbers is equal to 1, then the numbers are called. So when the HCF of two numbers is 1, then the two numbers must be a co-prime numbers. So co-prime means the two numbers having only one common factor. And second answer also correct, prime numbers, because when you taking the two prime numbers, for example 2 and 3 both are prime numbers. So the HCF is 2 ones are 2, here 1, next to 2, 1 2s are 2, remainder 0. So here is HCF 1. And co-prime means, for example 2 comma 5 both are co-prime numbers, because for the 2 the factors are 1 comma 2 and for the 5 factors are 1 comma 5. Here common factor is 1, so that is why both are co-prime numbers. So their HCF also a 1. So here two answers are correct, first and second. Next, fourth question, the number pi is. So generally in the mensuration chapter, pi equals to 22 by 7. 22 by 7 is a rational number, but originally pi is not a rational, it is a irrational number. Okay, pi is a irrational number, its approximate value is 22 by 7. This value we used in the mensuration chapter, but originally pi is a irrational number. Next one, fifth one, the value of log 1250 base 1250. We know that log a base a, when the logarithm of number and its base both are same, then its answer is 1. So option 2 is correct. Next to question number 6, which of the following is true? Here pi equals to 0, it is false. Why? Because pi is a empty set, 0 is a just number. A set and number never be equal. Next, n of pi equals to 0. Yes, n of pi nothing but number of elements in the set pi. Pi means that is empty set. So no elements in the empty set, that is why n of pi equals to 0. Option 2 is correct. And anyhow, let's verify third and fourth one also. Yeah, third one, pi equals to set of 0. So actually pi is a empty set and set of 0 means a set containing one element 0. So that is why both are wrong. Next, n of pi dash equals to 0. So pi dash nothing but it is a complementary set. Actually this topic is not in our textbook. Complementary set means here pi complement nothing but mu minus pi. So mu means universal set. So universal set minus pi, that is universal set itself. So n of pi dash equals to n of mu. So then generally mu means universal set. So n of mu never be equal to 0, but here given 0 answer. So option 2 is correct. Next to seventh one, if A equals to set of A, B, C, D, then number of subsets of A are. So actually we have a direct formula to find out the number of subsets, that is 2 to the power of n. So it is equals to, n means number of elements in the given set. In the given set the elements are 4. So 2 to the power of 4, that is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So total 16. So option 3 is correct. Next to question number 8. The zeros of the quadratic polynomial 4y square plus 8y are. So 4y square plus 8y. To find out the zeros, the given polynomial equal to 0 and find the variable answer. Here we can take the 4y common, so y plus 2 it is equals 0. Here we got the product of two polynomials, one is 4y equals to 0, another one y plus 2 equals to 0. Then here y equals to 0 by 4, here y equals to minus 2, y equals to 0, y equals to minus 2. So 0 comma minus 2 means option 4 is correct. Next to question number 9. If the equation ax square minus 8x plus 4 equals 0 has a equal roots, then what is the a value? So it is a quadratic equation. When the quadratic equation roots are 0, then the discriminant value will become 0. What is the discriminant? B square minus 4ac equals to 0. So when you comparing this quadratic equation with ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, then b value is minus 8. So minus 8 whole square, 4 into a value a itself and c value 4, it is equals to 0. So minus 8 whole square is 64 and 4 for the 16a equals to 0. So it is equals to 64 equals to 16a, and 64 divided by 16 equals to a. 16 ones are 16 fours are, so the a value is 4. Option 3 is correct. Next to question number 10. If a1 by a2 equals to b1 by b2 not equals to c1 by c2, then the lines are. So definitely the lines are no solution lines they are. And option 3, option 2 both are same. Coincident, infinitely many solution, both are same meaning. Generally unique solution means a1 by a2 is not equals to b1 by b2, and coincident lines means a1 by a2 equals to b1 by b2 equals to c1 by c2, and infinitely many solutions also same. No solution means the given condition. So option 4 is correct. Next to question number 11. The sum and product of the zeros of a quadratic polynomial are 1 and 1 respectively. Here sum of the zeros 1, product of the zeros also 1. Then its corresponding quadratic polynomial is how much? So generally sum of the zeros means alpha plus beta, and product of the zeros means alpha into beta. Then what is a quadratic polynomial? Quadratic polynomial formula k into x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta. This is a quadratic polynomial. In this, substitute the given values x square minus 1 into x plus 1, and here at the place of k you can substitute any number. So x square minus x plus 1, so it is equals to x square minus x plus 1. So option 1 is correct. Next to question number 12. The pair of equations 3 by 2x plus 5 by 3y equals to 7, 9x minus 10y equals to 12 represent the following. So represent the following means first we have to find out the ratios a1 by a2. a1 by a2 means here a1x compare with a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals to 0, and this one compare with a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals to 0. So here a1 value 3 by 2 by a2 value 9. So 3 by 2 into 1 by 9. 3 ones are 3 threes are. So 1 by 3 twos are 6. Next to b1 by b2. b1 value 5 by 3 divided by b2 value minus 10. It is equals to 5 by 3 into 1 by minus 10. So 5 ones are 5 twos are 1 by 3 into minus 2 minus 6. This is positive 1 by 6, this is negative 1 by 6. So both are not equal. When the two ratios are not equal, a1 by a2 and b1 by b2, then they have a only one solution. Option 4 is correct. Next to 13th question. If the given lines 2x plus ky equals to 1 and 3x minus 5y equals 7 are parallel, then the value of k is. So generally the condition for parallel lines is a1 by a2 equals to b1 by b2 but not equals to c1 by c2. Okay, so now compare these two equations with so first equation compare with a1x plus b1y plus c1, and second equation compare with a2x plus b2y plus c2. Here a1 value 2 and a2 value is 3, b1 value is k, and b2 value is minus 5, is not equals to C1 value minus 1 because 1 transpose to left side, and by minus 7. But to get the k value, first two ratios are enough. Here do cross multiplication, 3 into k, 2 into minus 5, then k equals to minus 10 by 3. So minus 10 by 3, option 4 is correct. Next to question number 14. If in the equation x plus 3y equals to 10, the value of y is 4, then the value of x will be. So in this equation, value of y is 4, then what is the value of x? That means just substitute y equals to 4 in this equation. So x plus 3 into 4 equals to 10, x plus 3 into 4, 12 equals to 10, and 12 transpose to right side, x equals to 10 minus 12, then the answer is minus 2. Option 1 is correct. Next to 15th question, the pair of equation 3x plus 4y equals to k and 9x plus 12y equals 6 has infinitely many solutions if k value is. So infinitely many solutions means a1 by a2 equals to b1 by b2 equals to c1 by c2. This is a condition for infinitely many solutions. Here a1 value 3 and a2 value 9, b1 value 4, b2 value 12, c1 value minus k, because as per the standard form, right side should be a 0, constant should be left side. Okay, so then minus k divided by c2 value minus 6. Now here 3 ones are 3 threes are, 4 ones are 4 threes are, so you can take any one ratio. 1 by 3 equals to, here minus minus cancel, k by 6, 3 ones are 3 twos are, so 1 equals to k by 2, then k equals to 2 is the answer. So option 2 is correct. So next to 16th question, the pair of equation x equals 0 and x equals to 5 has. So here x equals to 0, nothing but this is y axis is x equals to 0. Next to x equals to 5, here is x equals to 5. Now see, both lines are parallel lines, so for the parallel lines no solution, so option 4 is correct. Next to question number 17, the degree of a quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equals 0 where a not equals to 0. Here degree nothing but highest power of a variable, here highest power is 2, so option 2 is correct. Next to 18th question, if a quadratic equation 2x square plus kx plus 3 equals 0 have a 2 equal roots, then what is the k value? So 2 equal roots nothing but b square minus 4ac will be equals to 0, and it is compared with ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. So b value k square minus 4 into a value 2 and c value 3 equals 0. K square minus 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. So k square equals to plus 24, then k equals to under root 24. Now 24 can write as a 4 6, then plus or minus 2 into root 6. So option 3 is correct. Next to 19th question, the sum of the roots of a quadratic equation. Sum of the roots, that means alpha plus beta, its formula is minus b by a. So compare with ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, then b value is 7, but in the formula minus is there, so b value minus 7, so then minus of minus 7 divided by a value is 3, so 7 by 3 is the answer. Option 1 is correct. Next to question number 20, if alpha beta are the roots of the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equals 0, a not equals 0, then what is the alpha square plus beta square? So alpha square plus beta square is equals to, do one thing. First of all, I am going to find out the sum of the zeros, that is minus b by a, and product of the zeros alpha into beta c by a. Using these two values we have to find out our required answer. So first I am going to take the alpha plus beta whole square formula, that is alpha square plus beta square plus 2 alpha beta. So from this, alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta equals to alpha square plus beta square. Now substitute the values. Alpha plus beta value minus b by a, and 2 into alpha beta value c by a, it is equals to alpha square plus beta square. Minus b by a whole square is b square by a square minus 2c by a, it is equals to alpha square plus beta square. Now here we can take the LCM. A square is a LCM, then b square minus 2ac. So b square minus 2ac. So option 4 is correct. Next to question number 21. The roots of the quadratic equation x square minus 3x minus 10 equals to 0 are. Roots. To find out the roots, so just to do factorization. X square minus 3x can write as a minus 5x plus 2x minus 10 equals to 0. Take the x common, x minus 5 plus 2 common, x minus 5 equals 0. X minus 5 into x plus 2 equals to 0. X minus 5 equals 0. X plus 2 equals to 0. Then x equals to 5, x equals to minus 2. So 5 comma minus 2. Here option 3 is correct. Next to question number 22. The sum of the first n natural numbers. It is a direct formula which was given in the progression chapter, n into n plus 1 by 2. Here sum of the first n natural number denoting with sigma n. Sigma nothing but sum. So n into n plus 1 by 2. So option 2 is correct. Next to question number 23. The sum of 10 terms of the AP is 2, 7, 12 dash is. So generally to find out the Sn formula, the form n by 2 of 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So n means sum of the 10 term, n value 10. 2a means a means what? First term. What is the first term? 2 is the first term, plus 10 minus 1 into d value, that is common different. D means the formula a2 minus a1, a2 7 and a1 value 2, that is 5. So into 5, it is equals to, here 2 ones are 2 5s are, so 5 into, so answer is 245. Option 4 is correct. Next question number 24. How many 2-digit numbers are divisible by 3? So divisible by 2-digit number. First 2-digit number is 10, but it is not divisible by 3. Second 2-digit number 11. So first 2-digit number 12, which is divisible by 3. 12 after 15, 15 after 18, and the last 2-digit number is what? 99, and that too it is divisible by 3. Now we have to find out how many these are the 2-digit numbers. So how many? Nothing but, let's take the an equals to 99. An means a plus n minus 1 into d equals to 99. A value is 12, first term, plus n minus 1 into d value, that is common different. D equals to what? a2 minus a1. a2 value 15, a1 value 12. So that is 3 into 3 equals to 99. So n minus 1 into 3 equals to 99 minus 12. So n minus 1 into 3 equals to 9 minus 2 7. 9 minus 2 7. 9 minus 1 8. So n minus 1 equals to 87 divided by 3. 3 ones are 3 twos are 6. 2 remainder. So n minus 1 equals to 29. Then n equals to 29 plus 1. So n equals to 30 is the answer. So total 30 terms in the 2-digit number. So option 1 is correct. Next to question number 25. In an AP, if the first term is 4 and ninth term is 20, then what is the 15th term? So first term means it is denoting with a, and ninth term means a9 equals to 20. As per the nth term formula, a9 will becomes a plus 8d, it is equals to 20. In this substitute a value, that is 4 plus 8d equals to 20. Then 8d equals to 20 minus 4. 8d equals to 20 minus 4, 16. D value 16 by 8, that is 2. Now what is asking, what is the 15th term? 15th term means a15 equals to how much? So A15 means A plus 14D, then it is equals to A value 4, 14 into D value 2. So 4 plus 14, 2 into 14 into 2, 28, 32. So option 2 is correct. Next to question number 26, the distance between the points 2 comma 3 and 4 comma 1. So the distance formula is under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. It is equals to, this is x1, this is y1, this is x2, this is y2. So under root x2 value 4 and x1 value 2. Next to y2 value 1 and y1 value 3. Then it is equals to 4 minus 2, 2, 2 square 4, 1 minus 3 minus 2 whole square is 4, 4 plus 4 is 8, root 8 answer is 2 root 2. So option 4 is correct. Next to question number 27, the slope of the line which makes 3 pi by 4 angle with the positive direction of x-axis is, see here angle given, then what is the slope is asking. Generally when the angle was given, the slope formula is, slope is denoting with m, that is tan theta. So tan theta means the given angle, that is 3 pi by 4. And actually you don't know about the pi nothing but 22 by 7. It is belongs to mensuration chapter, but when it is asking in the trigonometry related, then the pi value is 180 degrees. So 4 ones are 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20. So then tan 3 into 45. So tan 135 degrees answer is -1. Option 1 is correct. So you will learn about the tan 135 in intermediate. Question number 28. If the point P x comma y divides the line segment joining the points A x1 comma y1 and B x2 comma y2 internally in the ratio m1 is to m2, then Px comma y is what? So its suitable diagram is, here is a and here is a B, and here is a point P. Point P dividing the AB in the ratio m1 is to m2 is a direct formula. What is that? m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2. Here option 3 is correct. m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2 comma m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. Next to question number 29. The midpoint of the line segment joining the points 2 comma 7 and minus 12 comma minus 7. So the midpoint formula is, so this is the formula, x1 value 2 plus x2 value 12 by 2 comma y1 value 7, y2 value minus 7 by 2, 2 plus 12 14 by 2, 14 by 2 7, 7 plus minus 7 0 by 2, 0 by 2 is 0. So 7 comma 0, option 2 is correct. Next to question number 30. The centroid of the triangle is 4 comma 1 and two vertices are 2 comma 3 and 7 comma 6. Then the third vertex is how much? So the centroid formula, this is a centroid formula, it is denoting with a capital G. A centroid of a triangle given 4 comma 1 and two vertices are given, asking third vertex. So 2 plus 7, third vertex take it as x3. Next to 3 plus 6, y3. So 4 comma 1 equals to 2 plus 7, 9 plus x3 by 3. 3 plus 6, 9 plus y3 by 3. Now equate the x coordinate and y coordinate. 4 equals to 9 plus x3 by 3. Next 1 equals to 9 plus y3 by 3. Here 3 transpose left side, 12. And here also 3 equals to 9 plus x3. 12 minus 9 equals to x3. 3 minus 9 equals to y3, sorry, here y3. 12 minus 9 3 and 3 minus 9 minus 6. So finally the third vertex x3 comma y3 equals to 3 comma minus 6. 3 comma minus 6, option 4 is correct. Question number 31. In the below figure, triangle RST is similar to triangle RBA. Then the value of x is RST similar to RAB, then value of x. When the two triangles are similar, then as per the definition of similar triangles, the sides ratios will be equal. The size ratios will be in the proportion. So RS by RB equals to ST by BA equals to TR by AR. RS means this is a total side, that is 6 plus 2 8 RS, and RB value that is required, ST value STX, and BA value 9. Sorry, here RB value, TR value, TR means RB plus 2, and AR means that is 6. So children, here I think question given as a wrong. Actually here in triangle RST similar to RAB have to given, but here given as a RBA. That is why here we are unable to find out the x. We can find, but it will become very difficult. So instead of RBA, if he was given RAB given, so here RST similar to triangle RAB, so then we can get the x very easily. So maybe they will add the one extra 1 mark for you. I think RS by RA equals to ST divided by AB, next to TR by BR. RS value 8, RA value 6, ST value X, AB value 9, TR value that is RB plus 2, and BR value RB. Now to find out the x value, here 3 2s are 3 3s are 2 1s are 2 4s are, and 4 into 3 12. X value 12 is the answer. Next to question number 32. In the below figure, triangle PQ are similar to triangle ABC, then what is Z plus Y? So triangle PQR similar to triangle ABC. What is Z plus Y? Here, when the two triangles are similar, then the corresponding angles are equal and ratio of corresponding sides are in proportion. So to find out the Z and Y values, I am going to take the ratio of corresponding sides. Here PQ value 3 and AB value is Z. Next to QR value Y, and BC value 4 root 3. Next PR value 6 divided by 8. Now find out the Z and Y value separately. Here 2 3s are 2 4s are, 3 by Z equals to 3 by 4, 3 by Z equals to Y by 4 root 3 equals to 3 by 4. Here 3 cancel, then Z will be a 4, and here 4 cancel, Y equals to 3 into root 3, but is asking Z plus Y, then 4 plus 3 into root 3. Option 4 is correct. Next to question number 33. Triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR, angle P 60, angle Q 75, then what is angle A? So we know that when two triangles are similar, then corresponding angles are equal. Angle A equals to angle P given as a 60, angle B equals to angle Q given as a 75, angle C equals to angle R. So this is a required answer. So it is not given angle A, but asking angle A value, that is 60 degrees. So option 4 is correct. Next to question number 34. From the below figure, the value of x is similar to triangle EDC, ABC, EDC. Now ratios. So AB value 24 and ED value 12. So BC value 22 and D is CD value X. 12 ones are 12 twos are 2 ones are 2 11s are, then 1 equals to 11 by X, then X equals to 11. Option 1 is correct. Question number 35. In the below figure, OB 13 centimeters, OP 12 and OP perpendicular to AB, then the value of AB is how much? So to find out the AB value, first find out the PB value. How to find that PB value? By Pythagoras theorem. So OB square equals to OP square plus PB square. 13 square equals to 12 square plus PB square. 13 169, 12 square 144, and transpose to left side. 169 minus 144, 6 minus 9 minus 4 5, 25 is a PB square. Then PB equals to root 25 and PB equals to 5. But is asking AB value. As per the formula, AB will becomes 2 times of PB. So 2 into 5, that is 10 centimeters. So option 3 is correct. Next to question number 36. RP, RQ are the two tangents to the circle with the center O. RP, RQ both are tangents with the circle center O, and here obviously R will become external point. Angle POQ 110, POQ 110 degrees. Then what is the angle PRQ? PRQ value how much? This value is asking. And we know that angle P and Q both are point of contacts, and at the point of contact 90 degrees will be there. So overall POQR is a one quadrilateral. So then angle P plus angle O plus angle Q plus angle R is 360 degrees. Sum of the four angles is 360. So 90 plus 110 plus 90 angle R that is required equals to 360. So angular value 70 degrees. Option 1 is correct. Next to question number 37. A circle touches the sides of a quadrilateral ABCD at points P, Q, R and S. Then which of the following is true? So it is one of the property in the tangents and secants chapter. So here sum of the opposite sides will be equal. AB plus CD equals to BC plus DA. AB plus CD equals to AD plus BC. So option 1 is correct. Question number 38. From the below figure, the value of X is how much? Yeah, the value of X. So it is very clear. P is an external point. PA, PB both are tangents. When the two tangents drawn from the external point, they are equal as per the property. So here PBX, PA 2022. So X value also 2022 centimeter. Option 2 is correct. Question number 39. The angle between the tangent and radius drawn through the point of contact. So here is a circle center O. This is a tangent. Okay. Here is a point of contact. So here is a radius. It will be 90 degrees. So option 3 is correct. So next question number 40. Calculate the length of tangent from the point 15 centimeter away from the center of the circle of radius 9 centimeters. So here is a circle with the center O, and here is a one external point P. Take it as a tangent. Here is a and here is a radius that is 9 centimeter. Then is asking calculate the length of a tangent. So PA value required. A point 15 centimeter away from the center. Point is P, center is O. So the distance between P and O is 15 centimeters. And we know that here will be a 90 degrees. So we can apply the Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem is OP square equals to OA square plus PA square. OP square is 15 square and OA square is 9 square plus PA square. 15 square is 225 and 9 square 81 minus 81. PA square 5 minus 1 4, 12 minus 8 4. PA square then PA equals to under root 144, then PA equals to 12 centimeters. So option 3 is correct. Question number 41. Which vessel shown in the below figure can hold more water? Can hold more water means find out the volume of the both vessels. So first volume of the first vessel, V equals to the formula pi r square h, because that is a cylinder. Pi value 22/7, radius, it is a diameter, the radius is 1/2 whole square, and height 4 centimeter. 22/7 into 1/4 into 4, 4 cancel, 22/7. So 7 ones are 7 3s are 21, 3.14 approximately 3.14 centimeter cube. This is the volume of first cylinder. Next to volume of a second cylinder, V equals to pi r square h, 22/7, and the radius, this is diameter, the radius will become 2, so 2 square, height is 1, so 22/7 into 2 square 4, so 3.14 into 4. Obviously this is a greater, so second diagram, that means option 2 is correct. Next to question number 42. The curved surface area of a cylinder is 264 meter square and its volume is 924 meter cube. Then height of the cylinder is how much? So the curved surface area of a cylinder, that is 2 pi RH, is 264 meter square and its volume pi r square h, 924 meter cube. Then what is the height? H equals to how much? So here from this pi r square h will become 264 divided by 2, that is 132, and from this pi r square h can write as a pi r h into r equals to 924. This value is how much? 132 into r equals to 924, then r equals to 924 divided by 132. So 132 ones are 132 sevens are, r equals to 7 is a. Next we need a h value. Now substitute r equals to 7 in either 2 pi r h or in the pi r square h. So I am substituting in the 2 pi r h, that is curved surface area 264. So 2 into 22/7 into r value 7 into h equals to 264. 7 cancel, 44 into h equals to 264. H equals to 264 divided by 44. So 44 ones are 44 6 are 6 meters. So h 6 meters. Next to question number 43. The radius of the sphere is increased by 100%, then the volume of the result sphere is increased by. So generally radius r is the original radius of the sphere, now increased by 100%, so then radius will be changed, so denoting with r1. How much increased? 100%. Generally when the percentage increased means 100 plus a percentage. A means how much percentage increased, how much? 100%. So 100 plus 100 percentage of original radius, then overall 200 percentage of r. Percentage convert into fraction form, 200 by 100, then it is equals to 2r. So that means the new radius will be equal to 2 times of the original radius. Now is asking what is the volume, how much volume was increased in percentages. Original volume is, we know, 4/3 pi r cube is the original volume. Now let's find out the new volume by substituting the changed radius. So v equals to 4/3 into pi into r cube means here 4/3 pi r1 cube. So 4/3 pi r1 means 2r whole cube. So 4/3 into pi into 8 r cube. Then 8 into 4/3 pi r cube. 8 into 4 by 3 pi r cube means original value, it is denoting with V. So then V1 equals to 8 into V. So the changed value is equal to 8 times of the original value. But how much into it was increased? How much? Nothing but 8V minus V by V into 100. 7V by V into 100. V cancel. 7 into 100, that is 700% increased. So option 2 is correct. Next question number 44. If the radius of the sphere is 2r, then the volume will be. So actually the volume of a sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube, but as per the question the radius of the sphere is 2r. So 4 by 3 pi into 2r whole cube, 4 by 3 into pi into 8r cube. So 8 4s are 32 by 3 into pi into r cube. So option 4 is correct. Next to question number 45. The radii of two cylinders are in the ratio 2:3 and their heights are in the ratio 5:3. Then the ratio of their volumes are. So R1 take it as a 2x, R2 take it as a 3x. Heights H1 5y, H2 3y, and ratio of their volumes V1 is to V2. V1 is to V2. Pi R1 square H1 is to pi R2 square H2. Pi cancel. R1 square, that is 2x whole square into H1 5y is to R2 square. R2 square means 3x whole square into H2, that is 3y. So 4x square into 5y is to 3 square 9, x square into 3y, x square y cancel. 4 5s are 20 is to 9 3s are 27. 20 is to 27. Option 1 is correct. Next to question number 46. If sin theta equals to cos theta, then tan theta equals to how much? To find out the tan theta, first we need a theta value. Otherwise sin theta, tan theta formula is what? Sin theta by cos theta. But sin theta cos theta both are same. Cos theta by cos theta both are cancel 1. So option 4 is correct. Next to 47. In the right angle triangle ABC, angle B 90, tan C 5 by 12, then the length of the hypotenuse is how much? So in a right triangle ABC, right angle at B, so ABC, tan C equals to 5 by 12, but tan C formula is what? ABC, opposite side to C divided by adjacent side to C. Okay, what is the hypotenuse? So AC square equals to AB square plus BC square. 5 square 25 and BC square, that is 12 square 144, so 169. Then AC equals to under root 169, it is equals to 13. So option 2 is correct. Question number 48. If tan A minus B equals to 1 by root 3, cos A equals to 1 by 2, then what is the angle B? See here, tan A minus B equals to 1 by root 3. Tan A minus B equals to 1 by root 3 means tan 30 degrees. Tan cancel, then A minus B equals to 30. One more value given. Cos A equals to 1 by 2, then cos A equals to cos 60 degrees. Cos cancel, then A value 60 degrees. Substitute this A value in this. So A minus B equals to 30. A value 60 minus B equals to 30. Then it is implies 60 minus 30. 60 minus 30 equals to B. Then B equals to 30 degrees. But in the options, angles are given in the pi. So Actually pi means 180 degrees. Okay, then 30 degrees equals to how much? So pi by 180 equals to 1 degree. Pi by 180 into 30 equals to 30 degrees. So 0 0 cancel, 3 ones are 3 6 are, so pi by 6, option 3 is correct. Next to question number 49, if a equals to 45, b equals to 60, then what is sin a plus cos b? So sin a, sin 45, cos b, cos 60. So sin 45 1 by root 2, cos 60 is root 3 by 2. It is equals to 2 into root 2 is LCM, then here 2 will come, and here root 3 into root 2, then 2 plus root 3 to the 6 by 2 root 2. Sorry, here actually cos 60 value not root 3 by 2, that is 1 by 2. The LCM 2 into root 2, then 2 plus root 2. So option 4 is correct. Next to question number 50. The value of tan alpha divided by 1 plus tan square alpha. So tan alpha divided by 1 plus tan square alpha. Actually we have a one identity, secant square alpha minus tan square alpha equals to 1. From this, secant square alpha equals to 1 plus tan square alpha. So here we can write secant square alpha, then square root cancel, tan alpha divided by sec alpha. Now we have to simplify this. Tan alpha means sin alpha divided by cos alpha, by sec alpha means 1 by cos alpha. It is equals to sin alpha by cos alpha into cos alpha by 1, both are cancelled, so option 2 is correct. Next question number 51. Sin a minus b equals to 1 by 2, cos a plus b equals to 1 by 2, then angle a equals to angle b. Sin a minus b equals to 1 by 2, but 1 by 2 can write as a sin 30 degrees, then sin cancel, then a minus b equals to 30. Next to second one, cos a plus b equals to 1 by 2. So cos a plus b equals to 1 by 2 means cos 60 degrees, cos cancel, then a plus b equals to 60. Now as per the elimination method, a minus b equals to 30, a plus b equals to 60. So minus b plus b cancel, 2a equals to 30 plus 60, 90, a value 45. Substitute this 45 in this, so 45 plus b equals to 60, then b equals to 60 minus 45, then b equals to 15 degrees, 45 15. Here 45, first a, second b, 45 15, option 1 is correct. Next question number 52. The length of the shadow of the vertical pole is root 3 times its original length. The angle of elevation to the sun is. So let us take the vertical pole. AB is a vertical pole. It's a length. It's a shadow length. AC is a shadow length. Length of the shadow of the vertical pole is root 3 times its original length. Original length, take it as a x. Root 3 times means root 3 into x. Join B comma C, and here is a 90 degrees. So the angle of elevation of the sun means angle C value required. To find that value, use tan theta. So tan C equals to opposite side divided by adjacent side. X cancel, then tan C equals to 1 by root 3. So tan C equals to 1 by root 3 value. So tan 30 degrees. Tan cancel, then angle C 30. So option 1 is correct. Next question number 53. Find the length of a kite. Length of a kite string flying at 100 meter above the ground with the elevation 60 degrees. So here is a kite. It is flying at the height of 100 meters. So it's a string. String means length of a thread. This value is required, and making 60 degrees. Elevation is 60. So A, B, C. Now see here 60 degrees opposite side given and hypotenuse asking. So use sine 60 degrees opposite by hypotenuse BC. Sine 60 is root 3 by 2. It is equals to 100 by BC. Do cross multiplication. 200. BC equals to 200 by root 3. So option B is correct. Next to question number 54. The tops of the two poles are height 20 meter and 14 meters are connected by a wire. If the wire makes an angle 30 degrees with the horizontal, then the length of the wire is. So first of all, here is a 20-meter pole, here is a 14-meter pole. The tops are tied with connected by a wire. So there is a wire length. This wire length is required, and here is a horizontal line, and the wire is making 30 degrees with a horizontal line. So here is a 30 degrees. So what is the length of a wire? Okay, to find out the length of a wire, first we need to find this length. 20 minus 14 is 6. Okay, now use the sine 60 degrees, sorry, sine 30 degrees opposite 6 by hypotenuse question mark. So sine 30 1 by 2 equals to 6 by question mark. So 6 2s are 12. Option 2 is correct. Question number 55. Identify the correct statement. P of E equals to minus 1, that is wrong. P of E greater than or equals to 1, it is also wrong. 0 less than or equals to P of E less than or equals to 1, this is right. Question number 56. When two dice are rolled, the probability of getting same odd number on two dice is. So the sample space of two dice is 1 comma 1, 1 comma 2 dash 6 comma 6. So total how many possible outcomes? 36 possible outcomes. So the event is what here? Getting same odd number on two dice. So event E equals to getting same odd number on two dice. 1 is odd number, 3 is odd number, 5 is odd number. Okay, these are the favorable. Then n of E equals to how much? 3. Now probability of a event E equals to n of E divided by n of S. So then 3 divided by 36, so 1 by 12. Option 1 is correct. Next to question number 57. A bag contains 4 black balls and 6 red balls. If one ball is drawn at random, then the probability of getting the red ball is. A bag contains 4 black, 6 red. So what is the sample space? 4 black, 6 red. 6 red. Then n of S equals to 4 plus 6, 10. If one ball is drawn at random, then the probability of getting the red ball. So then event is what? Getting red ball. For red ball, how many favorable? 6 red balls are favorable. N of E equals to 6. Then finally probability of a red ball equals to n of E divided by n of F, 6 by 10. So 2 3s are 2 5s are 3 by 5. Option 2 is correct. Next to question number 58. If mode is 29, mean is 32, what is the median? So when the mean and mode answer given, then the median is here. Relation between mean, median and mode is 3 into median minus 2 into mean. Mode answer given 29, 3 into median is required, minus 2 into mean is 32. So 29 equals to 3 into median, 2 into 32, 64. 29 plus 64 equals to 3 into median. 9 plus 4, 13, 1 carry. 93 equals to 3 into median. 93 divided by 3 equals to median. 3 ones are 3 threes are 9, 3 ones are, so 31, option 4 is correct. Next to question number 59. The median of -4, -6, -5, 3, 0, 5 and 11. To find out the median, first arrange all observation in the ascending or descending order. First I am going to arrange in ascending order. First smallest number is -6, next to -5, next to -4, next to 0, next to 3, next to 5, next to 11. So total 7 observation, then median means exactly middle, so that is 0. Option 4 is correct. Question number 60, last question. Average of 11 numbers is 10.5. If one number 9 is deleted, then the average of remaining numbers is. Average means arithmetic mean. So average of 11 numbers is 10.5. Then sum of 11 numbers will be equal to average answer multiply with 11. You will get the sum answer. So it is equals to 115.5. Now one number is deleted, then sum of 10 numbers, because one number is deleted, 115.5 minus, what is that number, 9. 115 point, here do minus 9, here 5, 6, 106.5. Now average of remaining 10 numbers, so that is 106.5 divided by 10. Then the decimal point will move to left side for one digit, 10.65. Option 4 is correct.